Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to copy a Notion page from one workspace to another in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the easiest way to move your favorite Notion pages, including all your hard work, templates, or plans, into a totally different account or team, all without losing any content or formatting. If you've ever set up a big Notion project in a personal workspace and wanted to bring it into your work account, or vice versa, this is the method you need. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Notion page you want to copy. Once you're on the page, look for the Share button in the upper right corner. Clicking on Share opens up a few options, but what's really important here is preparing the page so it can be duplicated elsewhere. Go ahead and select Publish. Now, you might wonder why you need to publish if you're just copying for yourself. The publishing step sounds public, but don't worry, you're just creating a special link that unlocks the page's full copy functionality. Next, make sure you enable the setting called Allow Duplicate as Template. This is the key part that tells Notion, hey, it's okay for someone else with this link to make a full copy of this page and all its contents. If this box isn't checked, when you try to duplicate from your other account, it just won't work, so always double check that it's selected. Think of it like letting a friend borrow your favorite recipe. Unless you give them permission to reproduce it, they can only look, not keep it. Once you've confirmed Allow Duplicate is on, you're ready to grab the link. Click Copy Link, which will put the special URL on your clipboard. This is the web address you'll use to access the page from your other workspace. Now it's time to head over to the other Notion account or workspace, the one where you want your page to land. In a real-world example, this could mean switching from your personal email to your company's account, or logging out and signing in as a different user. Just paste the link you copied straight into your browser. It might take a moment while Notion opens that shared page in the new workspace. Don't worry, just let it load. Once the page is open, look in the top right corner for a button that says Duplicate. This button is crucial. It's what actually makes a new, editable copy of the page in your current workspace. Click on it and Notion will automatically create a clone of the entire page in your other account. The great part is everything, transferred text, images, databases, and any subpages all stay intact, so you don't need to rebuild anything from scratch. And really, that's all there is to it. You've just effortlessly moved a Notion page between workspaces, and now you can tweak, edit, and organize it however you need in its new home. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up so others can discover it too. Drop any questions you have down in the comments. I always check them, and I'm happy to help troubleshoot if you get stuck. And of course, if you want more clear, practical Notion tips and tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.